What's up, everybody? Henshin Heroclix here with Darth Balitas and Ungrateful Ninja for another unboxing. This time we got Heroclix, Spider-Man, and Venom Absolute Carnage. Now, because I ordered a whole case, they threw in some LEs as a bonus. So we're going to start with the LEs, then we're going to hit these bricks. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in here. So we got some paper.
Maybe the paper is the bonus stuff. Limited edition packaging paper.
That's what's in here.
Actually, the paper that the cheeseburger that Miles Morales gave to Molecule Man was wrapped in.
So,
Yeah,
WizKids sent us Krampus and Rocket Raccoon and Groot.
Nice.
You want to open those up and check them out, then we'll hop right into the bricks.
Oh my God, he's got a knife.
Watch out.
Hey, it's Puerto Rican. Is that the worst thing I'm going to say? Find out. Stay tuned.
On the next episode. That looks awesome.
That does look awesome.
All right.
Yeah, the detail in Groot is kind of stupid. Like, that is some good detail.
Not for some Krampus.
Krampus.
Not so for some Krampus.
Krampus is one of those things that, like, it's hilarious. You European people just scaring the crap out of their children.
As it should be.
Listen, kid. If you don't eat your vegetables, Krampus is gonna come and he's gonna kill you.
Actually, look at his backpack.
Oh my, it's got a kid in it. Get out of there, kid.
Poor kid. Like that's gonna help him. Alright, so that's pretty dope. Got some two special goodies right here.
Ooh, you can use Krampus as a D&D model. This is small enough.
It almost looks like Donnie Darko. Like the bunny from Donnie Darko.
Oh, yeah. Alright, first brick. Let's go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna open it up like a Christmas present.
What kind of idiot wraps something in clear wrapping paper?
Well, I mean, if there's some like blind kids or something,
right?
So now the real question is, are we gonna get a chase or a prime? Or both?
You know how messed up that is, though? Like,
we're gonna get both.
I bought you things, but I put them in clear things so you know what it is. I stole pictures from you. It's just like, okay.
All right, first one. Let's see what goodies we're gonna have today.
I still got a knife. Why are you stabbing Spider-Man? Stab Venom.
He has his spidey senses. He'll be good.
I mean, will he though? Peter Tingle don't always work.
Yeah, isn't Venom, or not Venom, Scorpion, isn't he Hispanic? Hispanic people can sneak up on Spider-Man.
What? First pack we got a prime.
Wow.
And a broken with Hobgoblin.
Wow.
Okay.
That's a... What is that? It's broken?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's... So your luck distributed to...
I mean, if we look at it this way.
Alright.
Nothing some glue can't fix. Hobgoblin. Okay.
Hobgoblin, a.k.a.
Prowler.
A name that we're not going to mention because it's spoilers for movies.
This one looks tight.
Okay, everybody already knows.
Right.
Hey, who's that? Who's the normal guy with the normal book?
It's like...
We got Toxin.
That's not... I'm talking about that guy.
Wait. That's Jason McKendall. Who are you, sir?
So Jason McKendall?
Yes. I don't remember Jason.
Oh, Jason McIndale.
Hey, I'm Puerto Rican. Deal with it.
Macandale. Oye,
Macandale.
Macandale.
I should start pronouncing each one of these in Spanish.
Eso, Macandale.
Come on, give me goodies. We're gonna have a good one here.
I mean, the first pack had a prime in it, so.
Jason Macandale is the Demogoblin, Hobgoblin, and Jack-o'-lantern. He goes by a couple different character names.
Ooh, probably why we never heard of him, because we heard of his Evo instead.
Yeah, because there's been a lot of different people to be Hobgoblin.
So, first booster pack had a prime. Second booster pack has a super rare. This is looking pretty good.
So we see, you know, cool Spidey.
Bro,
he's just checking out everybody.
There's another nerd with a book.
It's Peter Parker, but
nerd.
You know, super nerd. Deathlock. This one actually looks nice. Let's do that gun. We already know who this is. We got that toxin earlier. And cool little Spidey. Let's turn you around. Superior Spider-Man.
That's Superior Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. It's Doc Ock in there.
And it came with Waldo Arms. I'm surprised they're called Waldo Arms. I don't remember them being called Waldo Arms, but that's hilarious. So, I found Waldo.
Hey, there he is. Stupid hat.
Just in case I couldn't figure that out, you know, comes together. Obvious. Come on, goodies. Come on, goodies.
So we're 2 for 2 when it comes to hits. Don't cut yourself now.
Don't cut me.
Come on.
Don't cut me, I'll cry.
Yeah.
Iron Fist.
I see what's there.
I see me a Danny
I
Rand.
see what's there.
Is that Tombstone?
Oh, yeah. Shit.
You got Danny Rand, you got Tombstone. You got Spider-Man's fire chick. Who's from that? What was it? Or no, that's not a chick. Is that a chick? I'm not going to assume their gender. But it definitely looks like they have boobs.
Alright, so we know Iron Fist.
Oh,
Obviously.
Danny Rand.
Yeah. Molten Man.
Oh, that's a dude.
Interesting.
Those are pecs, not titties.
Nah, we see this, right? It's nothing but sexiness, right?
See that super rare
Carnage.
Absolute carnage.
Standing on Brock's grave.
They put a lot of effort into that sculpt.
That looks dope. Too bad for Eddie, though. That would have been funny if they put Eddie in here as one of the things next to him.
Tombstone, right here. Mr. Tombstone himself.
And then, is that Colossus?
No, this is Deathlock that we got earlier.
Oh.
But I did notice something. The other Deathlock had a gold gun.
Huh.
This one's not gold. Interesting.
The man with the golden gun.
And silver gun, apparently. Why does he have two different colors?
The gold one is clearly what he uses on Sundays.
No,
One of the Deathlocks was a common and one was an uncommon.
Ah, okay. Makes more sense.
So cool. What's that?
Carnage symbiote. Oh, that's tight.
Sexy. He's just like, yeah.
Obvious, you know.
I'll murder your family. Ah.
But this is just so sick. Just look at this. Just attention to detail. Show that off to the ladies, you know. Get all that good stuff for them. So does that mean I'm not gonna get the one I'm going for?
So 3 boosters, 2 super rares, and a prime.
I want the ham. I want the ham bacon.
Oh yeah, he wants the Chase Spider Ham Samurai Spider
Samurai. Yeah. Ooh, interesting. I'm also just holding this.
So it looks to me like the side you started pulling from has all the super rares in it.
Bro, they're all gonna be like that. So obviously, first one Venom, because you know it's Venom and it's awesome. Let's see, Demo Goblin.
I really like the sculpt for Demi-Goblin with the orange glider. That is really nice.
I'm not even gonna mess with it because you know we saw what happened with the last one. Doppelganger.
Hey.
He's just screaming at you. Better watch out. When you go to sleep, he's gonna come out from under the bed and come and get you.
Under the bed? That's where I hold my money. Oh my
Eddie Brock, the douche. Nobody cares about you, so you know whatever.
He can be nice.
Hey, Mary Jane Johnson.
Hey, legs.
Hold on. We gotta. No.
The booty.
I mean, Nebula had a bigger ass than that, but
okay. Nebula's also an alien. She's got space cheeks.
Galactic.
Call them hemispheres.
I'm still hoping to get a ham. I'm gonna get one ham in here. Because, you know, I've been getting some good luck. You know? So why not? Oh, this one, they put a whole bunch of super glue. You know what? I might just have to... I don't know why they did that for that one.
They don't want you getting in.
There's so much
good stuff in it.
It's Mary Poppins, y'all.
Oh, Mary Poppins, y'all. Who is that?
Yeah, I just leave that one there. Just want to move.
Hey, it's Hammerhead. Who's basically like the same as Tombstone.
Look at those awesome weapons right there. She gonna come get you. Bombshell. That looks awesome.
Black Cat's weird. They keep like changing her origin and like what she can actually do.
Hammerhead. If anyone want to watch the cartoons, you know who Hammerhead is. Don't play.
He's just dark-skinned Tombstone.
Black Widow. I remember I had a Black Widow action figure when I was younger. It was so dope.
What do you do with it?
It's somewhere in the box.
Yeah.
And it's the one with the suit, not just...
Like putting her in the box?
Yeah. So this is White Rabbit.
White Rabbit? That's racist.
Where's the Black Rabbit? Where's the Brown Rabbit?
I've never heard of that character.
Me either.
Kind of looks like Carrot from One Piece. Kind of reminds me of that.
It's Mary Poppins. It's Mary Poppins, y'all.
It's Yondu.
Yes. Come on, Spider-Ham. Samurai Spider-Ham.
Samurai Spider-Ham.
I feel you in here.
Halfway through the boosters and no Samurai Spider yet.
We're good.
Samurai Spider-Ham.
Yeah. Get him right. He'll come porking at you.
Samurai Spider-Ham. With a sword in his hand. Watch him go, watch him fly. He'll stab you in the eye.
Tombstone again. Spider Carnage.
Hey. Is that an Agent Venom I see?
Look at that eye. Yep, Agent Venom.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, right there. That's perfect. Look at that. Flash Thompson. Dun,
That's
dun,
funny.
dun.
They put him right next to the thing that he is.
Black Widow.
Black Widow again. She snuck in the party twice. This one's got a mustache on. Like she's trying. I'm different, guys. I swear.
Come on, Hammy. Hammy.
4 boosters left. Where's your chase?
Come on. That's weird. Do you see that?
What?
It's like somebody's having difficulties.
Some of them just come out weird. I don't know how they... Okay. It's like the tape got on there.
See what happens when
I mean,
you
not
stop.
the tape, the glue.
See what happens when When you live a safe life, stop being a gangster. You don't know how to cut things anymore.
That shriek.
That didn't help.
Yeah, it looks like shriek.
Hey.
All right, first off,
That extra,
like he said, shriek.
that extra long tongue. What you gonna do with that? What you gonna do with that?
Carnage minion. Looks like he's got paper mache on, but you know. Molten Man. I should remember that. She Venom.
Okay.
You know, it's for all the ladies. You already know. You already know.
Yeah, girl.
And Black Cat, because you know, Black Cat just wanted to be near that tongue, because you know. Come on. It's gonna be the Samurai Spider Hand. Samurai Spider Hand.
Where's it going to
3
be?
more boosters in the first break. You gonna get your spider ham?
I'd laugh if they put it in the
Don't
last
just
one.
start with this again.
Like somehow they knew you would open it from that side, so they're just like, yeah, let's put it in the last box.
Ooh.
What is that?
Ooh.
Who the heck is that? Does that guy have a fist coming out of his face?
Harry Osborn, because you know, rich boy wants to be an island boy. American Son. I never heard of that one.
America.
America.
Kind of reminds me
America.
of John Cena's character from DC. Remember?
Steel Serpent. Interesting.
Steel Serpent.
I don't remember Steel Serpent.
Maybe that's Davos.
Maybe.
From,
Right?
Iron Fist Netflix.
Spot, because you know it's just weird, like, just like why even like why?
You know what his sculpt reminds me of? Did you ever watch the Spider-Man cartoon where
Hey,
Carnage
Peter
took over
Parker.
Peter
Hey,
Parker?
Peter Parker.
And he was trying to destroy the multiverse with that bomb.
Oh,
You see him? He's
you're
waving.
right. It is Davos.
Oh, that is Davos?
Yeah, Steel
Oh.
Serpent is Davos. Good
Nice.
job. Good job.
Look at that. We got smart people on the team. Because it definitely wasn't gonna be me.
Yeah, high five.
2 more boosters. Are you gonna get your
Give me my bacon.
Spider Samurai Porker?
Porky. Spider Pig. Spider Pig. Doing
Am I
whatever
your sensei?
Spider Pig does.
I wonder if they have a Heroclix of him. Oh, there's Fat Shriek. What is her name? What's her name? Can't think of her name. Scream? I think her name might be Scream.
Banshee? Or no, Banshee's a dude.
Alright, so this one. Yeah, Scream.
Scream, yeah, I was right.
I'm not gonna bother turning this one around.
Her sculpt is like...
We already know who
Happy,
this
bro.
is, you know. She just wants to get, you know, pinned up somewhere. Little Goblin. Yeah.
I still like the clear purple, or the clear purple, the clear orange.
You see that? He got a bomb for you.
glider.
Got this
It's really
bomb for
nice.
you.
I like it a lot.
Mary Jane Watson. You know, she thinks she all cool and stuff, you know. And we all know this one. Iron Man. So that means it's in this last one.
You hope is in the last one.
It's in this one. I know it is. Spider-Ham, Spider-Ham. Come on, Spider-Ham. Super glue, I swear. Ooh.
Well, got some bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's always good.
Oh yeah.
90% of the time, bubble wrap's good.
Oh yeah. Let's do it this way. Yeah, that's smarter. All right, first up, we got some Aaron Davis. He's like, you know,
I
I'm
don't
Mr.
know
Cool Man.
who that is. I've never heard of him before.
Ghost Spider. Ghost Kind of like that one. Just swinging around. Gwen Stacy. My bae. My side bae. Hey, Blondie. She's waving at me. You know, she wants some Prowler. And Carnage minion again. Paper mache dude. It really does look like he has paper mache on.
I think the absolute Carnage we put earlier, he can bring in Carnage minions.
Oh wow. That's actually.
Don't forget the bubble wrap.
Yeah. Well, let's see what we got here. Dimensional Watch.
So I believe Dimensional Watch comes with Ghost Spider.
That's dope. Got jelly. Got jelly. You already know. It is what it is.
Alright, and that concludes the first brick. It's time to crack open this second brick.
Yeah.
So based on what we pulled from the first brick, it looks like the Spider-Man set is going to be... Looks like the Spider-Man set will probably be Prime and a Chase, maybe?
Y'all think that I'm going to get the ham here? I'm hoping for the ham. Come on, Spider Ham. Come on, Spider Ham. I'm gonna start with this one. You see that? Right there? That's good luck.
The dent is good luck.
Yes. Because only a pig would do that.
Only
Fight a pig. Can we get it? Can we get it?
Let's see, first booster, second brick. And bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
Is that for Mysterio, maybe?
That's what I'm thinking.
Stereo. Hey, it's got a golden gun.
Yeah, this one.
Gold and silver.
Hey, that's funny. The stick up boys.
Alright, we got the two Deathlocks. We got the... Yeah, Black Widow. So, mainly... and She-Venom. The only one that's new is Mysterio.
Nice.
So, I think it's safe to assume that this comes with Mysterio.
AKA Jake Gyllenhaal.
Illusion Generator. Yes. Oh, look at that. Actually looks kind of cool.
Illusion Generator.
Spider-Ham. Spider-Ham. Come on, let's get it, let's get it. Let's get it.
Got this.
No.
That might be Jack-o'-lantern right there.
Yeah, it looks like it.
First
Jason.
off, we got Daniel Burkhart.
Ooh, I see something good.
What?
We got Harry Osborn.
Oh, damn.
Oh, I see. Took me a minute.
Well, she
Okay,
could.
Jack-o'-lantern. You know, we'll skip over this one real quick. Prowler, you know, again. But
So the Prowler?
yes, but you see this? You see this? That Venom Groot? You see this? You see him?
Lil Venom Groot.
It's so awesome.
Now you know what that means, though, right? That Venom
Bruh.
Groot stole the spot for your Samurai Parker.
I'm fine with it. I mean, cause this is just tight. That's just, bruh. Hold on, I gotta take this one out. Cause you know, you gotta see this one. Oh, baby Groot. What have we done to you? Let's see. You never know. We could get a Spider-Man.
Booster number 3.
Spider-Man? Spider-Man? I think that's good luck. Oh, they're all looking this way. Nice. And we got Prowler again. We got American Sun. Because, you know, America needs more suns. We got this chick again. Bombshell.
Peacemaker.
Deathlock.
Peacemaker.
And Shriek.
That's his name. Peacemaker.
Peacemaker.
He looks like Peacemaker. He reminds me of Peacemaker. Have you seen that?
No. I don't plan on it. I don't like John Cena.
No?
No.
Why don't you like John Cena?
You know,
Because I can't see him.
you know he's Team Rock.
Wow. Wow. You like The Rock? That's funny because Joe hates The Rock.
The Rock's awesome.
Just go tell Joe that.
I'll say to his face.
Okay. You know you can't reach his face. You know you need to step to him. I do too. It's not that easy. I'm not trying to make fun of you right there.
Ooh, I see a good one.
Hey. Hey. Is that who I think it is?
Yep.
Ooh. We got another Iron Man.
All right. So, we got, you know, I'm going to just call you Iron Boy.
Iron Boy.
Peter Parker.
Oh, you one of them Iron Boys.
Bombshell. Mary Jane Watson. And right here, Venom goes Spider. Oh. That is so sick.
That's the first super rare from the second brick. So
Bruh.
maybe 2 more.
Bruh. I don't know which one I like more, that one or the Baby Groot. Cause that looks sick. Come on, Hammy. Come on.
Imagine if Spider-Man got the Necro Sword.
Come on.
Better than a symbiote.
I didn't have any bacon today just so I could get this. Come on.
No jamon?
No hamon.
You're gonna be a terrible JoJo character. Hey, look, it's Davos again.
Hey, Davos.
Is that Wanda?
Hey, Mary Jane.
Is that
Yeah,
Wanda?
Angel Man. That is Marvella.
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 I don't know who that is.
Trying to punch Iron Boy.
He's like,
He's like, I'm
bring
gonna
it.
take it. I'm gonna drink it.
Come on, Hammy. Where are you?
I'm in here, Ronaldo. Let me out. Hurry.
I hear it. I hear him.
Save the world.
Marvella is Mary Jane.
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Nice. I didn't know that either. Ooh. Straight off the bat, we got Venom. We got Ancient Anti-Venom. Ooh, that's new. Looks dope. Oh. We got Flash Thompson. We got Homegirl Game Bombshell. Norman Osborn. Because, you know, he's just like, I'm just balling. You know, I can do whatever the
What's that
heck I
white
want.
Venom one? Is that Agent? Is that the white Agent Venom?
It's
Agent Anti-Venom.
Agent Anti-Venom. Nice.
That's sick. Come on, Handboy. Come on, Porky. Come on, Porky. Samurai Porky to you. Aww.
Ooh.
Interesting.
Hey.
See something good?
Uh-huh.
A few good things here.
Yeah, right?
Alright, straight off the bat, you know, we got another Spider-Man here.
Spider-Man.
Then we got Toxin. Yeah. Beastly. We got Scorn.
Yeah.
He's gonna scorn you. Spider-Viking. Like, come on. Like, that's just... See the shield too and everything?
Spider-Viking. Is that from like the old school? I don't know.
And Riot. It's cool to have Riot and Tucked in there.
You know they do those stories sometimes where they're like, "What if the
Look at
Avengers
this.
were like knights?" You know.
So, Darth
That's
Belitas, good news and bad news.
Yo.
The good news is I was wrong. Venom Groot is a super rare, not a chase. The bad news is Spider-Viking is a chase. So Spider-Viking is the one that stole the spot for your Samurai Ham.
But it's okay. It's tight.
So I had to look at it like I was looking at
But I mean, I could get lucky,
isn't
so
that one the
you know,
chase?
you never know. You never know.
You could get lucky.
Could be a
happen.
mistake. You know, we're only human.
It could
you know.
happen, yeah, but that's why we make machines so that doesn't happen.
Yeah, but did the machines pick them out?
I don't know. I guess make it random.
Some of these don't really seem random.
You know what else
Like
is
it is on
random?
purpose. I wouldn't get my hand. I bet if I asked for eggs. Ooh.
You could have had green ham and eggs, but you could have had them on a train or on a plane.
You know, he could stay looking that way because I don't care about you.
Hey, look at that.
You know, I didn't want to touch that.
Right?
This is a cool Spider-Man.
How are you supposed to get that
Miles.
one out? Like you gonna break it?
Push down, push up.
Yeah, if you push down, it's gonna mess up the.
Aaron Davis, the one that we just don't know about.
Hey, Ron.
This one we don't care about because, you know, whatever. Iron Spider.
Hey, look,
Black
it's,
Iron Spider.
Hey, look, it's not
Black
Davos.
Gold. Black Gold.
What is that? His space form?
Iron Fist. Buddy, you trying to fight Spider? Just
He's gonna lose.
Just stop.
I'm sorry, Danny.
Sorry.
The only chance he has is if it's Danny with like both fists, and even then it's like I don't.
Or if his last name was Trejo.
He's got a glowing machete.
Yeah.
Machete.
Machete forever. Come on, Hammy. Even though I know you're not gonna be in
Nice
here.
booster. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Bunch of dudes.
Dudes. Let's see.
I see something interesting.
Carry on.
You know what carry on is?
I wanted to pronounce the double R because I'm Hispanic and all, but
Carry
Carrion. That's Carrion right there.
You know what carry on is? It's the
Carnage
word
minion.
they give for like meat. That's like
Daniel
when
Burkhart.
it's a dead thing. So if
I
you
think
found
that's Eddie Brock.
like a raccoon on the side of the road and it's dead.
This is a cool Venom. What kind of Venom is that, guys?
That is prime Venom right there.
Yep.
Oh.
So from this case, we got 2 primes and a chase.
That's it. Now this is the Spider Pig right here.
Last booster, last booster.
Or my imagination is gonna be Spider Pig, because you know, just deal with it. Come on, give me goodies. Come on, give me goodies.
I see something good.
Oh, that is good. Peter Parker. Tombstone. What Tombstone you? Jason. Wait, how do you pronounce that again? In English?
What's that? Mackendale.
Y'all say Mackendale, but that's a C.
Mackendale.
Iron Fist. We don't need to worry about you. But Spider-Man on the trash can. Yeah.
Spider-Man on the can.
Yeah, he's assuming the position. And he came with...
Trash can? Oh my god, I was just kidding.
He came with garbage!
I was kidding.
Oh, he is gonna throw away the suit like that? Is he just retiring, or like what's going on?
There's
Like,
been a
that's
couple
not
times
cool.
where he's retired. He's just Spider-Man sometimes is just made of give up.
Like, you see how awesome this is? It is garbage can coming to you.
Spider can. Spider can.
Right.
Yeah. And you see, You see this? You see the webs on his arms? He thinks he's dope. He's gonna fly with that.
Oh, that's from I think that web design is from like the Spectacular Spider-Man.
Yes. Spectacular. I remember
Alright.
that had the flying.
Yeah.
So that's it. These are all the pulls for this case. If
I did
them
get my
all
hand boy,
in
but
screen.
we did get this guy.
Ham boning.
Ham boning.
So we got some decent pulls.
Heck yeah.
Slide all these over.
We need one Mysterio. Mysterio goes with that one.
So yeah, it's not bad. We got some solid pulls. So Darth Belitas didn't get his Spider-Ham, but we did get some decent stuff though. All right, that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
One more pass of Urtang.
Every time.
I really like the sculpt for this Absolute Carnage. We got Superior Spider-Man.
Looks sick.
Like just that right there just looks great.
Yeah.
Doppelganger. Is this a... Let me see. This is Doppelganger. Does this have a prime? Yeah, this is A, so that means there's a prime for this one.
Oh.
Venom Groot. I thought this was the chase. This is actually the super rare.
Baby Groot. Yeah. I know y'all love that one.
Spider-Viking.
Big boy. You mix Spider-Man with Vikings. Get obliterated.
Prime Venom.
Funny thing is, like, how does Spider-Man happen without science?
Time travel.
Okay.
That's how the Flash does it.
Oh my god.
Garbage can.
And last but not least, that's a good sculpt too.
Yeah, that's sick.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Peace. Like and subscribe.